Welcome back to the channel.
Can I explain what you're doing?
Right, the project is install this roof scoop onto the roof of the rally car to let fresh air into the cabin while we're driving, since we don't have the luxury of air conditioning. Okay, come back. So, on the inside of the roof, we have this, which has the air vents and a water drain. So when the water comes in, it just pulls in here and then drains out a little hose. So that's Nathan's hydro pack. I plumbed that up. Electrolyte mix. Last night I marked out centre.
Oops.
Now for the big one. Yep. Hey. Yeah, that's good. I made like a little reel, but now we're doing YouTube, so. No, yeah, I'll just explain, mate. You just wait. You want to like fit that where you want it inside, because that sets where.
Alright, show us that.
Yeah. So set it inside, and I only could fit it in like one place. You just make a quick measurement on the outside to make sure that the roof scoop's gonna work and cover like the holes that you drill.
Yeah.
So we like verified that. And then I marked the outside, and then I drilled 4 holes in this to put it on, and then I marked the holes and drilled them, and then inside that 3-hole saw holes in the roof, and then cut it out with a grinder and then finished it up. That is the point where we are now. So those holes will fit that on the inside, and today's mission is to drill holes in this and bolt it to the roof.
Do you put like a foam gasket thing under that?
So we'll just do our best and silicon the rest on that one. Out there. Okay, so looking at where the roof scoop is on the roof and where the holes need to be to come through the roof skin, this little like support beam is in the way. The best solution to that is just cut it out.
And we don't end up on our lid that often, so.
Yeah, but we don't rely on that. We got this bad boy here. I thought I put a cross beam in the roof in our roll cage, but I did not.
Imagine if it went buff and went donk.
Do not cut that cable. That's a $300 cable for you.
Hang on, which way is this?
Alright, so I have to drill a hole at the front to anchor it down, but inside there's like a double skin. We can do a rib nut or we move it back to here. Do you reckon it'll flex too much if the hole's back here?
Probably. If you imagine 180.
Okay, we'll drill it in the front
It's a one right at the
and
front.
come what may.
I'm gonna have to go pick up bodywork pieces out of a gutter in the middle of the
Boy, shut up. This kit comes as just generic with no holes or anything. You just have to pick where you want to put the holes. So I'm just going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
How much it cost you?
It was 350 New Zealand dollars for that piece and that piece. But then my brother, Ty, thanks Ty, 3D printed this one for the car, like when I built it 4 years ago. Made that, so we wanted to make it work, but it wasn't really big enough and to fit like the rest of it, so that just became easier to do, and more people voted for that one as the most popular anyway. I'm just drilling the holes. Yeah, it's been a good day in the workshop so far, mate. Bit of a slow start, but I'm picking up now. So I've drilled my holes. I'm going to put this where I want it, make sure it's centre, otherwise people will walk up to the car and go, like, not in the middle, is it, buddy? I'll just put this masking tape down so we can draw on the car instead of on the tape instead of the car. It's gonna go about there, that's the front edge. Centre line should be at the back there. We'll draw our front line and centre line, and then be able to position it nicely. 75. What is 154 divided by 2?
77. Did I get that right?
I don't know. 77, you reckon?
No, it's 144 divided by 2, isn't it?
150. Oh, YouTube maths, there we go. Oh, wait, what did I say? No, I got that wrong. Yeah, 154 divided by 2.
Yeah, 77. Yeah, that's right. Alright, iometer time. Just dial that iometer in.
Alright, please comment down below if you think that's not in the middle.
That looks good under lights though, eh?
Is that in the middle, do you reckon?
I mean, we're not going to be looking at it, so we're not going to care.
Right, just comment down below then. I don't know, for some reason that doesn't look like it's in the centre of that thing.
I think does your iometer need calibration or something?
Yeah, it's not, it doesn't look like that mark, that centre mark. Maybe I will put a centre mark on this. I was like measuring to the front of there, and it's fiberglass is not really perfect, so
We're going to get it close and then
I'll add up.
run.
It's still not. Keep going.
That's so you're not going to eat.
Nice. Just do like riv nuts and all of them. Yeah, I think it's the best. M6, it's a metric system for you guys in America.
Do you have American friends?
Yeah, lots of. So we're gonna use these sexy little stainless button head cap screws. Beautiful. Keep drilling. I'm gonna put riv nuts into the roof. And to make sure they seal, I'm just gonna slap a little bead off. This is first take. It's not coming out. Gotta have the grip strength. Yeah, it's blocked.
Just spray all over the place.
Okay, stuff that nozzle. That's cooked. Oh, now I'm gonna get too much. No.
Ooh.
Not all good. CRC.
Hold it right up, mate.
CRC gasket maker. Please sponsor me.
Oh, this is so good.
Shut up. Yeah. It's just extra for experts, you know? So I can go a bit more on that. That's all right.
Oh my god.
To all of you guys wanting to get into co-driving out there, this is what you have to do.
There it is.
There it is. I say to him every week, hey, if you don't come over and work on the car, then no co-driving for you, buddy.
You gotta really want it, you know? You gotta...
Yeah. This is where the hard work gets put in, guys. If you drill holes in the roof of a car and do some hard work, one day you could be like this guy.
You say that to all the kids that come up and ask for autographs, so you're like,
Yeah.
oh, yeah.
How many autographs have you signed?
My mum asked for one. So dry fitting, we're going to do the silicone later, yeah? Because you don't want... Have you call this lined up?
Okay, oh mate. You got an Allen key? I only brought 2 nuts with me.
Don't drop it.
It's got a 1 nut in there.
I always got 2.
Fuck! I'm still on audio, damn. I just slammed my shin into the clutch pedal. Can you pass me another nut? Push that front one. Yeah. See, main little setup. Yeah, that's pretty satisfying. Yeah.
So you're not going to paint it now?
No. Oh, I'm not gonna paint it now because it's dinner time, mate. Stay tuned for part 3. It's unbelievable.
Nice. Should we turn the air compressor on?
Why?
Just sit in it and blow air down the vent.
No, I'll get the leaf blower.
Okay, so vent's in. We're gonna just test it out. Oh yeah! It smells a bit gassy, but I'm probably getting carbon monoxide poisoning, but it's mean.